Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get started with Midjourney. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Midjourney Discord. After that, you will be presented with a bunch of websites. Simply tap on the first one and you will be asked to accept the invite. After that, your Discord application will open up automatically and the Midjourney bot server will be displayed. Here, you just need to access any newbie channel and start using it. In order to generate images, you will need to type in /imagine, then select the first option and then enter any type of prompt. You can also try copying it from the other people's generations and modify it in your own way. After you are done with the prompt, press the enter key and the image will be generated. After that, you will have 4 choices. If you like a generation, then simply click on the U with the image number button and it will be upscaled automatically. If you want to get different versions of a generated image, then select the V with image number button and 4 new versions will start generating. But if you don't like anything, then just click on the arrow icon and it will start over again. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.